In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to GoHighLevel using Zapier or Make. If you want to automatically send new Typeform submissions into your CRM, this is a simple and efficient way to do it. The goal here is to create an automation that takes each new form entry and sends that contact directly into Lead Connector, which is the integration app used for GoHighLevel. This helps you save time, reduce manual data entry, and make sure every lead is captured right away. To get started, open either Zapier or Make, depending on which platform you prefer to use for automations. Both tools can handle this workflow, so the overall setup is very similar. Once you're inside the platform, begin by creating a new automation. For the Trigger app, select Typeform. The trigger event should be set to New Entry. This means the automation will start whenever someone submits your Typeform. At this stage, you'll usually be asked to connect your Typeform account and choose the specific form you want to monitor. Make sure you select the correct form, especially if you manage multiple forms so the right submission data is pulled into the workflow. Next, choose Lead Connector, also known as GoHighLevel, as the action app. For the action event, select Create or Update Contact. This is an important choice because it allows the system to either add a brand new contact or update an existing one if that person is already in your CRM. That helps prevent duplicate records and keeps your contact database cleaner. Now it's time to map the form data. Take the fields coming from Typeform and match them to the corresponding fields in GoHighLevel. Typically, you'll want to map the person's name, email address, phone number, and any tags. Be careful during this part, because accurate field mapping is what makes the automation useful. For example, the email field from Typeform should go into the email field in GoHighLevel, and the phone field should be matched properly as well. If you use tags to organize leads by source or campaign, make sure those are included too. Once everything is mapped correctly, save the automation and turn it on. After that, it's a good idea to run a quick test submission through your Typeform to confirm that the contact appears correctly inside GoHighLevel. If the data shows up in the right fields, your integration is ready to go. That's it. You now have a working connection that automatically sends Typeform